Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Journey with Monica. Today we will discuss about the triangle and classifications of the triangle and what are the parts of a triangle and what is the formula for the area of a triangle. We will discuss one by one in detail. Let's start. A triangle is a two-dimensional three-sided polygon with three angles. It is the simplest type of polygon and the sum of its three angles is 180 degrees. Look here, these three are the sides. We call it as edges. Edges 0, edge 1, edge 2. These are all the sides. And here triangle has three vertex. Vertex 0, vertex 1 and vertex 2. And here the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. A triangle has three internal angles and their measurements always adds up to 180 degrees. And these are the three angles. And next our topic is about the classifications of a triangle. Triangles are classified based on their side lengths and their angles. Let us discuss one by one. According to the side lengths, there are three triangles that are equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangles. Look here. This is an isosceles triangle, a triangle with two congruent sides and one unique side and angle. This is an isosceles triangle, where this is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with three congruent sides and three congruent angles. This is about equilateral triangle. This is a scalene triangle, is a triangle with no congruent sides and no congruent angles. All sides are different. This is an obtuse angle that has obtuse angle. This is an acute angle, is a triangle that has three acute angles. Acute angles na 60 60 60. This is a right angle triangle that has. This is all about the angles and triangles based on the classifications of the triangle. Every time I am saying congruent, congruent, what is the meaning of the congruent and the congruent side? Let's see. Congruent side are the concept used in the geometry when the sides of a figure are equal to each other. Next we have a topic on triangles can be classified into two main ways regarding to based on the length and based on the angles. Let's see, equilateral, isosceles, scalene are based on the length and by the angle. Acute, right and obtuse angle are there. What is equilateral? All three sides are equal in length. What is an isosceles? At least two sides are equal in length. And what is scalene? All three sides are different lengths. Acute angle is all three angles are less than 90 degrees. And at right angle, one angle is exactly 90 degrees. And for obtuse, one angle is greater than 90 degrees. And next we are having a triangle has main parts. What are the main parts? Six main parts are there. Three sides and three vertices. Triangle parts has six main parts. Regarding to the sides and vertices, three angles, external corners formed by the sides. These parts are fundamental to understand a triangle properties and are essential for finding calculations like its area and some of the internal angles. And next we are having the topic about similar triangles. What are the similar triangles? Look here, similar triangles or the triangles that have the same shape, but not necessarily the same size. Not. Did you understand? Not necessarily the same size. At last, we are having the formula area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is defined as the total region that is enclosed by the three sides of any particular triangle. Basically, it is equal to the half of the base times height. These are the sides now. So at last we are having this formula A equals to half into B into H. Nothing but B is base, H is height. And finally we have the last topic, that is properties of a triangle. Its key properties includes the angle sum property 180 degrees, the angle inequality theorem, the sum of any two sides is greater than the third sides, and the congruency conditions for when two triangles are identical. And these triangles are fundamental geometrical shapes used in the field like architecture, engineering, and art. Let us do the fast revision regarding to this triangle in Telugu. Look this one. ఈ బ్లూ కలర్లో ఉండింది సైడ్స్, దీన్నే మనం ఎడ్జెస్ అంటాము. సో 3 ఎడ్జెస్తో ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ సైడ్స్ వచ్చే ఆ పాయింట్ ఏదైతే కనెక్ట్ అవుతుందో దాన్ని వర్టెక్స్ అంటాము. సో 3 ఎడ్జెస్ అండ్ 3 వర్టెక్స్. ఓకే, లోపల వచ్చేసేసి మనకి దీన్ని యాంగిల్స్ అంటాము. సో టోటల్ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ సమ్ చేస్తే మనకి 180 డిగ్రీస్ వస్తుంది. సో క్లియర్గా తెలుగులో చెప్పాను, బట్ నాకు దాని వర్డ్స్ తెలియదు, ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే కాన్వర్జేషన్ ఒకటి తెలుగులో చెప్పాను. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్స్ అకార్డింగ్ టు దేర్ లెంత్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్ 3 టైప్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఫాస్ట్ రివిజన్. Triangles can be classified in two main ways. Based on the length అయితే equilateral, isosceles and scaling triangles ఉంటాయి. Isosceles triangle at least two sides are equal in length, third side different ఉంటుంది. Triangle, and this is an equilateral triangle, all sides వచ్చేసి సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ స్కేలింగ్ ట్రయాంగిల్. దీంట్లో ఏ సైడ్ కూడా ఈక్వల్గా ఉండదు. నో కాంగ్రుయెంట్ యాంగిల్ అండ్ సైడ్. ఇది అబ్ట్యూజ్ యాంగిల్. వై? బికాజ్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి అబ్ట్యూజ్ యాంగిల్. అండ్ 90 డిగ్రీస్కి తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్. అండ్ కరెక్ట్గా 90 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది రైట్ యాంగిల్. ఇది వచ్చేసి ట్రయాంగిల్ గురించి ఫాస్ట్ రివిజన్ ఇన్ తెలుగులో. జస్ట్ అర్థం కావడానికి ఫాస్ట్గా రివిజన్ లాగా చెప్పేశాను. And this is about today's video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. For more math vlogs and shorts, please follow my channel. See you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.